Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. Now, let's move on to the question I have. And the question is: Hi, Ali. I'm working on the optimization of my campaigns, but I keep noticing my budget is mostly used by keywords I can't even see. Is there a way to prevent this? Should I move all of my keywords to the exact match? I have two broad match keywords category, but the rest are fixed match and exact match. Thanks in advance. But before I answer this question, I want to let you know that I run a Google Partner company, and in case if you need Google Ads, audit, setup, management, or landing page services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move on to the question I have written. The question is regarding so you can see over here that this is uh, so if I look around, you can see that this is a total search terms 8 and other search items are 12. Okay, and most of the people don't know when the where the keywords are being used, they can't even see, but you know that because you're running broad match and phrase match. So there is over there, there's a high chance that there could be a variation, that is also getting clicks. And because you said if you're using face match, you also have two broad match, and with the broad match there is a huge variety, of the actual keyword through which the people are coming. If you add broad match, there may be a chances on when there are the actual variation may be different and the real search query you have added is different. Even there is a chance with the phrase match as well, and a very less chance with the exact match. For instance, if I open you one of the account, and you may often oversee over there as well, and let's say if I open any campaign and I look around for the ad group and I may see search keywords. And what happens is that although this is exact match, but what happens is if not all of are being shown over here, what you have to do is to simply go to search and simply search over here search terms. You can see over here search terms. Okay, when you see the search terms, these are in actual the real queries through which the people are clicking and coming on your page. So in case if you find any query over here, which is not generating your sales, you just have to simply add as a negative keyword. Or in case if you like it or generating as a key sales, you can add it as a specific exact match keyword and put more money on it because this is converting well for you. So this is a way to find your hidden keywords on the Google through which your traffic is coming, and there is a lot of variety over there, especially in case if you are using phrase match or a broad match, and then you can see a lot of terms over here through which people are coming. So I am just giving you a few examples, and yeah, in case if you need a special help with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, you can hire me and my team, and we can definitely help you in optimizing your campaigns. And especially in this scenario where the hidden keywords are costing you money and not converting well, there could be a lot of ideas which we can use. For instance, we can have create specific ads and landing pages for that keywords to see in case if there are any buyer intent in that, or look around on what the competitors are doing with that exact keyword, so we can have a clear cut idea on what's exactly working well in the market. Just giving you a few ideas, but again a detailed audit will result in a different scenario. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and in case if you need our services, to hire us through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.